Welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah. This is Hannah in her habitat, and a little bit of a different habitat because in a weird turn of events I am trapped on the East Coast because I'm sure you know of the crazy snowstorm in Texas, so I can't get back. So we are headed in the RV. So the gang's all here. The best part of traveling in an RV, well, if you've ever traveled with the new ones, you know we need two things always: snacks and access to a bathroom, and you have both in an RV. RV tip 101. Things that are not nice to do to someone is to start driving when they're in the bathroom.
And then hit the brakes.
He thinks he's so funny. Wait till it's my turn to drive. Vlog update. We are in the truck parking lot hanging with all of our trucker friends. And we're still in the state of Tennessee and have no idea where we're headed next, so stay tuned. Say hello to our neighbors for the night. Rest area night it is. Okay, if you don't drink your milk and your cereal, this belongs to him, not me. This is how you get rid of it. It would not be an RV trip if we didn't have some sort of RV trouble. So here we are in the Lowe's parking lot.
Our vacation.
This is our vacation. We think, we're not really sure.
So this busted because of the ice. So hopefully what we're going to do is just cap it and be done for now, because this is basically an outside shower which you can't use almost anywhere.
Well, you can use it if you're clothed.
Well, no, because you can't dump the water on the ground.
Oh!
So you have to catch all the water in your pockets.
I thought mine emptied to my tank. Yours empties into here.
Okay, so if you have a shower outside like this, the water comes on the ground.
Okay. Smart.
This can also be used.
Yeah, we don't even know what state we're in. I can't think straight. If you've ever wondered how you go through a toll booth in an RV, this is how. Unfortunately, we don't get to test Blaine's aiming skills by throwing the change in the bucket, because that is hard.
That is hard. No, sir. No, sir.
It's also pretty tight driving through these things. My favorite place to stop for dinner while traveling is Cracker Barrel, because they're always along the highway and you can call ahead so you can pick up your order, and they always have RV parking. It's a great option for some home-cooked meals if you're tired of fast food.
Well, we can move it. This is the catch.
Okay.
So you're going to push it up and then push this out, and then this is going to come down slowly.
Push what out?
Hang on. Remove all obstacles. This is the catch.
Okay.
This is what is holding it up there
Okay.
now. So you push this up. No. Okay. Push this out. And now let it come down slowly. Come on.
He's stuck. I'm gonna be sleeping slanted.
Huh?
Oh!
It's not a bed like you think it is. Now you make the bed.
Ta-da! Well, how fun is that?
Yeah, just in that hole.
Check me out.
Very good.
Ah.